Good morning, students and teachers. This is Phil and Ephraim coming at you from Bulldog Bites headquarters. Today we'll be giving a tutorial on reflections. We hope this helps.
So we have 5 different types of reflections here. We have it over the x-axis, the y-axis, the origin, y equals x, and y equals negative x. Starting off with over the x-axis, you're going to take your point, which we have as 1, 2, and you're going to flip it over the x-axis, which will be down. So your x value will stay the same, but your y value is going to negate. So it'll be x, comma, negative y. This shows that you're switching the sign of that point. So if it's a negative point, it'll just become positive. If it's positive, it becomes negative. So with 1, comma 2, we can write that as 1, comma, negative 2. When we reflect over the y-axis, we're going to just go in the opposite direction. We're going to go across instead of down. So 1, 2 will become negative 1, 2. So we could write that as negating the x value, and the y value remains the same. So like I said, it will become negative 1, 2, because we're negating that 1. When we reflect it over the origin, both values are going to stay the same, but they're going to just become opposite sign. So if they're positive, that's negative. If it's negative, that's positive. So 1, comma 2 will appear down here, and it'll be negative 1, comma, negative 2. So we can write that as negating the x and negating the y. When we reflect over the y equals x line, we're reflecting over this dotted line right here. So you can imagine turning your point of view, that way this line is horizontal. So when we do this, both of our values are going to switch. So instead of 1, 2, it's going to become 2, 1. And we can write this out as y, comma, x. When we reflect over the y equals negative x, same exact principle, except it's a different line. It's this dotted line here. So we're going to be reflecting across this way with our point. So 1, 2 is going to become negative 2 and negative 1. And to write that with the y-x, we can write it as negative y, comma, negative x. So just know your signs and know the flipping of points due to the reflections.
That about wraps up today's session. Please don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are experiencing any difficulty in a subject area, please fill out a request ticket located in the description. Have a great day.